My video will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the fake human verification alerts coming from the site myelitesolutions.com. Some people see these pop-ups by myelitesolutions.com. Definitely these pop-ups are absolutely fake and really deceptive. Don't trust them and don't click on the allow button as these pop-ups might suggest to you. Simply leave this page, and if the allow button was mistakenly clicked, you need to fix your browser by accessing the menu Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Then in Permissions, choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. Remove this malicious site. Also, in order to make sure that your system is free of any other threats, I recommend you to scan your device with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then begin researching your computer. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.